Have you ever thought about what you truly want in life? Your dreams are important. They are the compass that guides you through the journey of life. Without them, you might find yourself drifting aimlessly, unsure of where to go or what to do next. They give you direction and purpose. When you have a clear vision, you wake up each day with a sense of excitement and motivation. You know that every step you take is bringing you closer to your dreams. When you have a clear vision for your future, you can start making it a reality. It's like having a roadmap that shows you the way. You can set specific goals and create a plan to achieve them. This clarity helps you stay focused and avoid distractions. Without a vision, it's easy to feel lost or stuck. You might find yourself at a crossroads, unsure of which path to take. This uncertainty can lead to frustration and a lack of fulfillment. You might wander through life without a real sense of purpose. Days turn into weeks and weeks into months, and before you know it, years have passed without any significant progress. But when you know what you want, you can focus your energy and take action. Every decision you make is aligned with your vision. You become more productive and efficient because you have a clear sense of direction. Think about it like planning a trip. When you plan a trip, you don't just randomly choose a destination. You think about where you want to go, what you want to see, and how you're going to get there. You wouldn't just hop in the car and start driving without knowing where you're going, would you? That would be chaotic and inefficient. Instead, you choose a destination and plan your route. You'd choose a destination and map out your route. You'd consider the best roads to take, the places you want to stop, and the experiences you want to have along the way. Creating a vision for your life is just like that. It's about deciding where you want to go and how you're going to get there. It's about setting goals and making plans to achieve them. It's about deciding where you want to go and how you're going to get there. With a clear vision, you can navigate the challenges and obstacles that come your way. You can stay focused on your goals and keep moving forward no matter what. So how do you create a vision for your life? How do you take those abstract dreams and turn them into something tangible, something you can see and feel every day? One powerful tool is a vision board. This simple yet profound tool can transform the way you approach your goals. A vision board is a collection of images, quotes, and affirmations that represent your goals and dreams. It's like a visual diary of your aspirations, a collage of what you want to achieve. It's a visual reminder of what you're working towards. Every time you glance at it, you're reminded of your purpose and the life you want to create. Imagine a physical board filled with pictures of your dream home, your ideal career, amazing travel destinations, and all the experiences you wish to have, or anything else that brings you joy. It could be moments of happiness, personal achievements, or even the small things that make you smile. These images serve as powerful reminders of what you want to manifest in your life. They keep your dreams at the forefront of your mind. Vision boards are incredibly effective because they tap into the power of visualization. When you visualize your goals, you create a mental image of what you want to achieve. When you see your goals and dreams represented visually, you start to believe they are possible. This belief is crucial because it shifts your mindset from doubt to possibility, and when you believe something is possible, you're much more likely to take action to make it happen. This action is what turns dreams into reality. So, start creating your vision board today, and watch your dreams come to life. Gather magazines, print out pictures, and find quotes that resonate with you. Arrange them on your board in a way that feels right to you. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it every day. Let it be a constant source of inspiration and motivation. Remember, your vision board is a living document. Feel free to update it as your goals and dreams evolve. Keep it fresh and relevant to your current aspirations. As you achieve your goals, celebrate your successes. Acknowledge the progress you've made and let it fuel your journey forward. And when you're ready, start a new vision board. Continue to dream big and let your vision board be a testament to your journey and growth. Your dreams deserve to be on display. Let your vision board be the canvas where your future takes shape. Ready to start creating your own vision board? It's an exciting journey that can help you visualize and manifest your dreams and goals. Whether you're aiming for personal growth, career success, or simply a more organized life, a vision board can be a powerful tool. It's easier than you think. Here's what you'll need. First, a board. This will be the foundation of your vision board, so choose wisely. You can use a corkboard, poster board, or even a large piece of cardboard. Each type of board has its own advantages. Corkboards are great for pinning and rearranging items, poster boards are sturdy and provide a solid background, and cardboard is a versatile and budget-friendly option. Choose a size that feels right for you and the space you have available. Think about where you want to display your vision board. It could be in your bedroom, office, or any space where you'll see it often. The size should be large enough to hold all your dreams and goals, but not so big that it overwhelms your space. Next, magazines, books, and printouts. These will be your primary sources of inspiration. Look for images, words, and phrases that resonate with your goals and dreams. Gather a variety of materials that inspire you. Don't limit yourself to just one type of source. The more diverse your materials, the richer and more vibrant your vision board will be. You can even include personal photos, postcards, or any other items that hold special meaning to you. Look for images and words that resonate with your goals and dreams. Then, scissors and glue. These are essential tools for cutting out and attaching your chosen images to your board. Use these to cut out your chosen images and attach them to your board. Take your time with this step. Arrange and rearrange your images until you find a layout that feels right. This is your vision, so make sure it reflects your true aspirations. Also, markers, pens, and stickers. These are optional but can add a personal touch to your vision board. Use them to write down affirmations, add decorative touches, or highlight important goals. These are optional but can add a personal touch to your vision board. Personalization is key to making your vision board truly yours. The more it reflects your personality and style, the more connected you'll feel to it. And finally, your favorite music and a positive attitude. Music can set the tone for your creative process. Choose tunes that uplift and inspire you. Creating a vision board should be fun and inspiring. Invite friends or family to join you. Sharing this experience can make it even more enjoyable and motivating. Put on some music that uplifts you and get ready to unleash your creativity. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to create a vision board. It's all about what feels right for you. So, gather your materials, find your inspiration, and start creating a visual representation of your dreams and goals. Happy vision boarding! Now comes the fun part, selecting the images for your vision board. This is where you get to dream big and let your imagination run wild. Don't overthink it. Browse through your magazines, books, and printouts. Look for images that spark joy, excitement, and a sense of possibility. It could be a picture of a beautiful beach, a successful entrepreneur, a loving family, or anything else that represents your aspirations. Remember, your vision board is a reflection of your unique goals and dreams. There are no right or wrong answers. Trust your intuition and choose images that speak to your heart. Section 5. Words to inspire. Adding quotes and affirmations. In addition to images, words can be incredibly powerful on your vision board. Quotes and affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your beliefs and support your goals. Think about areas of your life where you want to see growth or change. Find quotes that inspire you to take action, overcome challenges, or simply believe in yourself. You can handwrite them, print them out, or use decorative lettering to make them stand out. Here are a few examples. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Section 6. Putting it all together. Assembling your masterpiece. Now that you have your images, quotes, and affirmations, it's time to assemble your vision board. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Let your creativity guide you. You can arrange your images and words in a structured grid, create a free-flowing collage, or find a balance between the two. Experiment with different layouts until you find one that feels visually appealing and inspiring to you. Don't be afraid to play around with colors, patterns, and textures too. You can use colorful paper, fabric scraps, or other decorative elements to add depth and dimension to your board. Section 7. Finding the perfect spot. Making your vision board a focal point. Once your vision board is complete, it's important to display it somewhere prominent where you'll see it every day. Remember, the purpose of a vision board is to serve as a visual reminder of your goals and dreams. Consider hanging it in your bedroom, office, or any other space where you spend a significant amount of time. You want it to be a focal point, something that catches your eye and inspires you throughout the day. Avoid tucking it away in a drawer or closet where it will be easily forgotten. The more you see your vision board, the more powerful it will become in shaping your thoughts and actions. Section 8. Daily inspiration, using your vision board for motivation. Creating a vision board is just the first step. To truly harness its power, you need to make it a part of your daily routine. Take a few minutes each day to look at your vision board and connect with your goals and dreams. Visualize yourself achieving each one. Feel the emotions associated with success. You can also use your vision board as a tool for reflection and gratitude. As you look at each image and quote, take a moment to appreciate how far you've come and acknowledge your progress.